Diyos ko Lord.
Hello, mabuhay.
Wow! Bakit masaya ka pa? Congratulations sa'yo, Ann. Grabe. I know it's not the result that we would have wanted, pero I would like to congratulate you from the bottom of my heart. Nilaban mo talaga kami ng patayan. Hindi lang dito sa finals, kundi from the very beginning. Top 6 is still top 6. I'm so proud of you.
Yes, thank you so much. I'm very proud to myself, syempre. And sa lahat ng tao na tumulong sa akin. To my Filipino kababayan dyan, I hope na naging proud kayo sa akin dahil nilaban ko ang Pilipinas at hindi tayo bumitaw hanggang dulo. And alam ko na hindi man yun yung inaasahan natin na resulta, pero sabi ko nga, nung pag-apa ko pa lang dito, kung ano yung ibibigay ng Diyos, hindi natin kailangan yung pilitin. There's always something na para sa atin talaga. Kasi nga, di ba nung naniwala ako nung nanalo ko sa MIQ Philippines that everything has its own timing. So maybe MIQ is not for me, but through this platform, maybe may na-inspire akong mga transgender woman at ibang tao. And for me, that's the most important thing.
Sa pinakita ba mong tapang ng loob at determination to succeed despite what others are saying, panalong-panala ko na talaga doon. Pero masakit pa rin, umasa ako.
Yes. Ayan nga.
Kasi nanalo ka ng mga inspiring beauty na yan. Kaya talagang yun yung nagpaano sa akin. Yung talagang, ay nako, talagang gusto. Tapos sabi nyo, umiyak ka daw. Napaiyak daw yung mga judges. So I thought talaga parang, okay, may chance talaga. May chance talaga. Tsaka yung sagot mo kanina, siyempre, masyado pang maaga para for you to reflect. Pero, what do you think about your answer when you said about true love is the answer in ending all conflicts?
Ako kasi talagang yun yung sinagot ko yung parang yung paniniwala ko, yung sarili kong belief sa buhay na in any conflicts there is love. When it comes to war, when it comes to any other conflicts, whether family conflicts or friends, if there is love, lahat naman yun mapag-uusapan. The dialogue of love is the most important because through love, there is kindness, there is respect. So kung babalikan ko yung isasagot ko doon, wala akong maisip na pwede kong isagot when I hear the question immediately, yun na talaga yung naisip ko. And for me, kasi galing siya sa puso So, I'm very satisfied to my answer and I hope na through my answer, meron ako talaga mga na-inspire at saka merong naniwala na talaga namang love ang sagot sa lahat ng conflicts.
Laban nga.
Laban nga, di ba? Laban.
And we got, we took a video, we got a video of you praying before you announced yung top 3. What were you praying that time?
Of course, pinagdasal ko na sana kung para sa akin yung top 3, i-allow ng Diyos and sana makasagot ako muli sa top 3 na sana yung sagot ko galing sa puso and inspiring din siya. And pinagdasal ko kanina na kung hindi man ako makakapasok, please God, don't make things hard for me to accept. Nagigising ako bukas ng umaga, hindi siya sobrang sakit, kundi masaya ako kasi isa lang ang sarap kasi ilaban ng Pilipinas talaga. Ang sarap ilaban ng Pilipinas. So, alam ko na nilaban ko from day 1 na lumipad ako, nandun kayo, lumipad ako sa Thailand, hanggang sashing ceremony and all the activities, wala akong binitawan and I made sure that I check all the boxes. So, I'm very happy. I don't know why. Medyo syempre weird sa iba na why I'm still positive. I don't know why. Kasi di ba thank you.
Uuwi ka sa Pilipinas na taas noo na wala kang kakabakabang viral moment na alam mo yon, parang lahat you did everything you could to penetrate top 3 and even win, and eventually win the title. Pero yun nga, sabi mo nga, hindi meant. Ngayon, nakita nga kita nung hindi ka tinawag, parang kalmado ka lang, tapos ganun ka sa mga, nag-wave ka sa mga fans mo, parang na-prepare mo rin yung eventuality na yun, na win or lose, parang you'll accept the results wholeheartedly.
True. Siguro yun ay natutunan ko through pageants. Siguro yung pagsali ko sa Miss International ko, yung naging training grounds na rin ng emotion ko yun na parang hindi mo pwedeng panggigilan yung isang bagay Siguro ang dapat ng panggigilan is to perform. If you perform well, wala naman dahilan para hindi mapunta sa'yo If there's one reason na para hindi mapunta sa'yo, just because it's not meant for you. So yun na lang siguro yung inisip ko kanina na kung hindi man ako yung koronahan ngayong gabi, maybe it's not meant for me. At syempre, there's still a better life after pageant. At kung sino may nakoronahan, I'm pretty sure that she can use the crown to inspire inspire others, and to do her duty as the new Miss International Queen 2025.
And your dad watched you tonight for the first time. What's your message for him?
Oh my God, yeah. For the past years, yeah. This is
Is he behind you?
For the past years of my life, never nakawatch ang daddy ko ng pageant. Una niya ako napanood sa Miss International Queen 2025 Philippines when I crowned MIQ Philippines last July 9. And sabi ko talaga, dito sa international pageant ko, wearing the Philippines sash, I made sure na my father will be here for the first time in my life na maging proud siya sa akin na winawagayway ang bandera ng Pilipinas. And I hope that my dad is very proud
Dad,
of
what do you
me.
think about
How proud of you?
your daughter winning?
Shy si daddy.
Iyak siya, he's very emotional. Mas emotional sila sa akin.
Uy, malaking bagay to, parents mo lumipad talaga dito para suportahan ka.
Yes, yes. Sobrang thankful ako sa kanila kasi kahit may mga work sila and everything, talagang sinigurado nila na, ayun, na nandito sila. And I'm so happy. I don't know, I can explain my feeling. Siguro sinasabi ng iba, bakit naman ang saya ni Ann Patricia? I don't know why. I'm very proud to myself. I'm very grateful for everything.
Okay, alam mo sa sobrang saya mo, parang masaya ka na rin to cheer for your other contestants. I was looking at you intently after hindi ka ma-announce and you were just cheering for your fellow contestants like Miss Cuba, 'di ba? Na sana manalo yata kasi talagang siya yung una mo nilapitan din talaga.
Kasi she's my best friend in this competition. She's my best friend. From the moment na pag-arrive ko dito, kinabukasan, nung pag-arrive ko, on our first day, may interview kami. Siya agad yung naging kasama ko sa mag-breakfast. So we talk a lot for everything. And sabi niya nga sa akin, gusto niya pumunta sa Pilipinas kasi to do some shopping and everything. Nag-share pa kami pati yung hormones, mga advices. Ako ang taga-advise sila kung saan bibili dito sa Thailand. Kasi nakailang balik na ako sa Thailand nung nasa Bangkok kami. So ayun, she's very kind. And lahat naman kind. But syempre talaga naman sa kahit anong competition, even the classroom, meron kang makaka-close na kung sila yung tao. And she's very close to my heart. She's very kind and she's very intelligent woman.
How do you feel, Anna, vindicated ka sa mga bashers mo na parang, naiisip mo pa ba siya at this point? Parang,
Oh my God, bashers. Alam mo, hindi kasi talaga ako nagbasa talaga eh. Tsaka kung ano yung sabihin nila, hindi yun magmamatter sa akin eh. Especially ngayon, alam ko merong mga feeling vindicated because I did it. Sorry. Pero kasi ako, vindicated ako in a way na kasi wala akong, kung babalikan ko, wala akong ibang alam na gagawin ko pa to do my best. Maybe, kahit naman sino siguro ipadala dito, even not me or the other queens from the Philippines na mga nakalaban ko, if it's not, kahit gaano kakaganda, iba ang MIQ. MIQ is, grabe, iba yung labanan dito is mental game, spiritual game, emotional game. So kahit sino pa, if it's not meant for the Philippines, ganun talaga. Sabi ko nga, hindi yun nasa reyna eh, nasa tadhana yan ng isang bansa kung magkakaroon ba sila ng bagong reyna.
yes. So, picture muna si Missology sa'yo.
Thank you.
Wait,
So go.
Video or photo?
The queen and the queen.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
thank you. Ann, magsistay ka pa ba dito? Or are you going to?
Yeah, I will stay until 25th. Ay, kasi birthday ng pamangking ko bukas. And then
Happy birthday.
me and my family and also my team will go to Bangkok. Yes, and then
celebrate.
magsasaya tayo. Medyo mag-chill tayo. At siguro magpapamassage ako tsaka matutulog. At kakain, nahanap ako ng Pinoy food. I miss Pinoy food.
Talaga?
Yes, I miss Pinoy food.
May mga restaurants dito na Pinoy.
Yes, meron.
For sure may nag-recommend na
May
sa'yo.
friend ako sa Bangkok, magluto ako.
Ay, pak!
It's a good restaurant, Lola's Kitchen.
Ay, wow.
Sa Kambit.
Puntahan ko yan.
Good luck.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, hamburger.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you sa inyo lahat. At sana samahan niyo pa ako sa ibang journey ng buhay ko. And of course, I'm still a reigning Miss International Queen Philippines. May mga duties pa tayo sa Pilipinas. So, after my little vacation here, I need to go back to the Philippines at ituloy natin yung duty ko as Miss International Philippines with the organization.
Ann, meron ka bang backup count for finals? Kasi for prelims, parang meron kang backup.
Wala akong backup counts. Me and Manny Halasan talk about when we share our little idea when it comes to this stuff. Ito talaga exactly na gusto ko.
Ano inspiration niya dito?
Ang inspiration nito is, kasi nga di ba ang sabi ko nung nakahapon, is dapat supposedly bubuin ko yung 4 na brilyante ng Encantadia. Kasi Encantadia, yung unang-unang Encantadia is the time that very close to my heart kasi nandun nangyari yung transition ko as a transgender woman. That's the moment I realized that I want to be a goddess.
Oo.
Yeah.
A goddess.
Tapos ang una nun is yung costume ko is inspired by the water. Tapos yung pang-prelim ko dapat is inspired by the fire. Yung pang-talent ko na gold inspired by the earth gems, and this one is inspired by the hangin. Amihan ang pangalan niya. Inspired to sa hangin ng amihan na dumadampi sa balat natin dahil magpapasko na.
Naisip mo pa talaga yun. Pero ang lambot-lambot mo talaga all throughout the journey, all throughout your Miss International. Talagang pinag-isipan mo talaga buhok mo, yung pasarela mo, yung mga outfits mo, yung mga poses mo, lahat talaga talagang yun ang mantra mo, lambot-lambutan.
Tayo dito, unlimited freshness.
So yun, congratulations feeling ko ikaw yung third runner-up. Feeling ko ikaw yun.
Claim it.
I-claim na natin for ourselves to make ourselves.
No, hindi re-reveal kasi talagang from top 6, top 3. Siguro kung ipapakilala ako is Miss International Queen 2025, top 6 pa yun.
Hindi, third runner-up para hindi masakit sa puso. Ang ganda na sagot mo eh.
Yeah, thank you.
Wala pa na, huwag kang umiyak, huwag kang mag-sulk, mag-celebrate.
Hindi talaga ako naiiyak. Yung team ko nga umiiyak, sabi ko, hindi kayo iiyak, napapagod lang kayo, kakain tayo at matutulog. Hindi kayo nalulungkot.
Okay, uuwi tayo sa Pilipinas masayang.
Tayo sa Pilipinas ng masayang-masaya at itutuloy natin duties natin.
Okay. Salamat. Thank you, Anne. Yan, si Daddy na
Daddy
para
nag-aantay.
nag-aantay si Daddy.
Ate Ann, congrats.
Napakagaling ko kanina, grabe.
Maluwi tayo masaya sa Pilipinas.
Malungkot pa din, but at least you did your
No,
best.
laban Pilipinas.
Ang galing mo kanina. Mahusay. Oo, wala yun. Oo, ang galing-galing mo kanina. Oo. Tsaka hindi, you did your best. Grabe.
Mami, yayakap ka. Mami,